Okay, how to create an Instagram account if you already have an existing Instagram account. First, you have to hold here. You'll press add account, create new account, and you have to pick a username. Say I want to use this username, Impernance 01. Yeah, just pick whatever available. Johnny Potato, something like this. Available, you just put whatever for password. I'm not going to use this account anyway, and complete sign up. And that is how you can make an Instagram so easily, just by doing this. If you already have an existing Instagram account, your other Instagram account is gonna be safe though if you get one Instagram account banned, so it's alright. Then set to public, to private, whatever. You can just do this later. You just skip them all and you're done. It's like this.